homogeneous here and ready to be mixed.
And this is easy. I mean, this is all stuff you should have laying around too, right? You got eggs, you got milk. Yes, please. So we have our topping, which is coming, some Demerara sugar, some cinnamon, as advertised, and some kosher salt. So once all this is mixed together, it's nice and cool, we can put it on our bread slices, just like that. And this is as easy as it gets with the dessert. And we're gonna add our next ingredient, which is not chocolate chips, but the chocolate chunks. I like the look of it, I like the texture of it. And we're just gonna kind of get them in there, fold them around a little bit. Remember, this is cooled, so it's not melting the